DJ from your wrist with Spotify on Garmin Smartwatch. Download music and podcasts to your Garmin Smartwatch for offline listening without needing a phone. To complete this process, you'll need to have your watch paired with a Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth headphones, the Connect IQ Store app, and the Garmin Connect app. You'll also need a Spotify Premium account. If your watch doesn't come preloaded with the Spotify Connect IQ app, we will first need to download the app to your watch. Start by opening the Connect IQ Store app on your compatible smartphone. Search for Spotify and touch Install. The Connect IQ Store would like to send and receive information to and from the internet. Tap Allow. The app will now be in your download queue and automatically sync to your watch. If your watch has 2 or 3 buttons on the right, press and hold the back button in the bottom right. If it has 5 buttons, press and hold the up button on the left middle to enter the settings and access the watch menu. Scroll through and select Music, followed by Music Providers. Here, you will see the available music providers already installed on your watch. Now that you have the Spotify app on your watch, we can continue setting up the app. You will then be prompted to open the Garmin Connect app and sign into your Spotify account. This will link your Spotify Premium to your Garmin smartwatch. And follow the instructions to sign in. After signing in, you can pick which content you want to sync with your watch. Select Get Started. Then select Add Music and Podcasts. Then scroll through the options in the library. Now you can tap on Playlists. Choose the playlist you want to download to your watch. Once your watch is connected to Wi-Fi, it will start syncing. Go back to the library, and you'll see the downloaded music list. When you select a song, the watch will guide you to pair Bluetooth headphones. Select to add. Once paired, you can start listening to music. If you update your music playlist, remember to tap on Update Downloads to sync your watch. Now you're free to leave your phone at home while you listen to your music. And that's it. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.